Good morning. SaskOutdoors is a provincial outdoor and environmental education association. So we're used to doing things like this, where we're outside, running around, having fun. And then all of a sudden there was a pandemic, and we were kind of like, oh, we have to stay home. Teachers were looking for things to do, professional development. So we switched to the black faces way of doing outdoor environmental education. And so that's what we are being recognized for today with SDG number 4 about quality education. And so I'll get the next slide. We were able to take some of you, if you're in the education world, will recognize some of these logos and programs. So these are all programs that we help deliver workshops to teachers so that they have the skills to do activities with their students outside. So most of you maybe even have played the game Oh Dear. So that's from the Project Wild book. So we stand up, we pretend we're different parts of the habitat, and we run around and have some fun. So a big value for me in these is getting outside and moving around. So that was a challenge with moving online, but I think we were able to do it quite well by incorporating breaks, which we're going to do right now. I'm going to give you a little example. So there's an activity in Project Wild called Looking Closely. So it's about looking for nature where you are, or looking for small nature things. Those of us who are in person might have a bit of a challenge, but if you're watching virtually, I'm going to invite you to stand up, maybe look out your window, see if you can see a sign of nature. And those of us in this room, if you are interested or want to stretch your legs, I'll give you 30 seconds to stand up and tell someone near you a sign of spring that you have seen outside. So you have 30 seconds, go fast. So something we've really missed about the in-person workshops is the ability to connect and talk with other people. So we were able to do that in various ways in a virtual format, as you've all probably experienced of the next slide. And it's probably something that we will continue to do from SaskOutdoors. In 2019, we would never have thought we would deliver these programs virtually, but we've had great success in being able to reach more people who maybe can't travel to an in-person workshop. So by using this model of educating some people who then spread on the knowledge, we're able to spread the SDGs further through quality education. Thanks.